Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages, where learning a new language becomes simple, enjoyable and practical. Today's topic is the nominative case, the very first and the easiest case in German. Let's begin. Before learning the nominative case, let's understand what a case actually means. A case simply tells us the job or function of a noun in a sentence. German uses 4 cases: nominative, accusative, dative and genitive. Today we are learning the first one, the nominative case. The nominative case is used for the subject of a sentence. The subject is the person, animal or thing that performs the action. Whenever you want to find the nominative, simply ask yourself who is doing the action or what is doing the action. The answer is your nominative subject. Let's practice with examples. Der Mann arbeitet. Who works? The man. So, der Mann is the subject. Die Katze schläft. Who is sleeping? The cat. Again, the subject is in the nominative case, and that is die Katze. Notice that we are only looking for who performs the action. Here are few more examples. Das Kind spielt. Wer spielt? Das Kind. Die Kinder lernen Deutsch. Wer lernt Deutsch? Die Kinder. Ich lerne Deutsch. Wer lernt Deutsch? Ich. To find the nominative, here is a simple trick that works almost every time. First, find the verb. Next, ask who is doing the action or what is doing the action. Whatever answer that question is your nominative case. Try using this method whenever you read a German sentence. Let's practice together. Pause the video and try to identify the nominative subject in each sentence. Take your time, the answers are coming next. Before we move ahead, here is a quick recap. These are the definite articles, indefinite articles and personal pronouns in the nominative case. We have already covered each of these topics in detail in separate videos. If you haven't watched them yet or would like a refresher, you will find the links in the description box below. And now it's your turn. Solve this worksheet and send your answers in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned in the description box, and we will get back to you if there is any correction. Fantastic! Today you have learned the foundation of German grammar, the nominative case. Remember, the nominative is always the subject, the person, animal or thing that performs the action. In our next lesson, we will be learning accusative case, where you will discover what happens to the person or thing that receives the action. If you found this lesson helpful, to remember to like the video, subscribe to Infinite Languages and share it with your friends who are learning German. Thank you so much for watching. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Video.